Step-by-step meme coin launch. How to launch on Solana easily. Alright everyone, you've seen the wild success stories on Solana. Projects going from zero to millions in a day. Ever wonder how those teams pull it off? It might be easier than you think to launch your own token on Solana. Today, I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint on how to launch a meme coin, from concept to hitting that huge 400 plus SOL mark, making it look easy. We'll cover the tools, the security, and the ultimate marketing hacks. Let's get building. Phase 1. Concept and technical setup. The foundation. Before code, you need a story. The viral concept. A meme coin is nothing without a meme. Find a concept, a funny animal, a current event, a viral joke that has instant cultural appeal and can be easily shared. Make your logo simple, sticky, and visually loud. Tokenomics. Decide on your supply. Is it huge like a trillion or small and scarce? You must decide on the distribution. How much for the presale, how much for the liquidity pool, and how much for the marketing wallet. Transparency here is key. The easy code. You don't need to be a coding genius anymore. Use a reliable, verified Solana token launch tool or a specialized launchpad. These platforms automate the creation of your smart contract, making the token launch process simple and fast. Phase 2. Security and liquidity. Building trust. The anti-rug. This is the most crucial phase. To attract serious investors and hit that 400 SOL target, you must prove you're not a scam. Lock the liquidity. You must lock the initial liquidity you provide. If you launch on a DEX like Radium, you deposit your token and SOL into the pool. If you don't lock this SOL, you can rug pull it. Use a third-party service like presale or Radium lockers to lock that SOL for a long time. 90 days minimum, but longer is better. This proves to traders that you cannot run away with their funds.
You know what that means?
Burn the LP tokens. An even stronger signal is to burn the LP, liquidity provider tokens. This permanently removes the ability to pull liquidity. Renounce ownership. Renounce the contract ownership so that no one, not even you, can change the token's core code. This builds ultimate trust. Phase 3. The hype machine. Generating the SOL. You have a safe coin. Now you need buyers. Social media blitz. Launch a Twitter/X account and a Telegram group before the launch. Post memes, run fun contests, and build genuine engagement. You need an active community that believes in the joke. The presale strategy. Instead of a public launch, run a limited presale on a platform to build scarcity and generate that initial 200 to 400 SOL. Offer bonuses to early participants. This establishes a baseline of committed investors. DEX tools. Presence. You must get listed on the hot pair sections of DEX screening tools like DEX Tools or DEX Screener. This requires real, sustained trading volume right after launch. Phase 4, launch day and beyond. The execution. It's launch day. You've successfully raised your initial 400 SOL in presale. Fair launch. Launch immediately on the DEX, Radium or Orca, by depositing the presale SOL and the remaining supply of your token into the liquidity pool. Announce the launch link everywhere simultaneously. Initial marketing push. This is when your pre-planned influencers, bot alerts, and community shilling need to peak. The goal is to drive massive initial volume to get trending on the DEX trackers. Roadmap and utility. Immediately after the hype dies down, start releasing the utility promised in your roadmap. Staking, token burning mechanisms, or an NFT collection. This gives your holders a reason to stay, diamond hands, instead of selling immediately. Launching a meme coin on Solana is about two things: technical proof that you won't rug, and marketing hype that creates FOMO. Always start with security first. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, hit that like button. Let me know what project you're launching in the comments.